Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Swartz. Thanks for stopping by, for connecting with this channel and the amazing community that's here in it. Thanks a lot for the support, everyone. Guys, I'm very tired, and it's a good tired because I was up all night, which is good news, meaning I got a lot of full moon footage. It was soaking last night. I encountered so many problems that I'm going to talk to you guys about. For those of you who are doing telescope or who want to do telescope, to be very careful for. To verify your footage, this is Aristarchus crater from the 25th and 26th of June. We're going to see full moon footage after a couple of minutes of these last few frames from the footage from the 25th and 26th. Got some nice close-ups of Aristarchus crater. We'll go into Aristarchus crater again, another pass here, and then I'll do it with the full moon footage. Because see, the line of light right now is on the 5th and 26th was just on the edge, outer limits of Aristarchus crater. So Aristarchus crater is still a bit hard to see, but we got some nice pass here, and we'll get another nice pass up. Thanks so much for stopping by, everyone. The full moon, finally, I got this telescope. I was not able to get the full moon once in 4 months, but of course I got it during many different times during the phase, but almost always around the 24th. So I was anxious to see the outer limits. What I love filming are the outer limits of the moon. The north side, the east, south, and west side, that we see all the structuring because of the line of light, because of the line of the darkness, the dark side and the light side. It's never the same. The moon oscillates and wobbles, they say, so during each moon phase, we can go get either more or less on that line. Around the outskirts of the moon, we could see so much more. Imagine seeing 100 more kilometers or 1,000 more kilometers than you usually see. You'll pick up so many detailed structures, and sometimes it's structures that no one in the world has ever gotten because that line of light is not exact in its place. It moves around. See that light behind Aristarchus crater? It bugs me. It's connected, directly connected to Aristarchus crater, and then goes off. See, these are power sources. Whatever they are, we're going to use our common sense right now. And in the darkness, some bright light oscillating that looks like a yellow fire in the darkness is definitely not something that's natural. Take a look at this. A strange light exits the crater side wall. See that little dark crack there at the end of the arrow? Pay close attention to the little things that we're not noticing. There you go. This just came out of the crater at the bottom of the moon. And didn't it do that the same thing with Copernicus crater? Isn't that amazing? I was able to get a UFO coming out of Copernicus crater and now coming out of the bottom side of the moon. So what is that telling us, guys? It's telling us the moon is inhabited. Someone's up there. It only makes sense. And if it's not inhabited, well, it's actively visited by either a being or a breakaway civilization that we don't know. But the important thing is, what are they doing up there? They're probably mining, right? If we use our common sense, we see pipes and tunnels exiting like crazy out of these areas. Guys, I'm so happy that I was able to get the full moon behind Mare Crisium. Wait till you see the beautiful passes I got behind Mare Crisium with the beautiful Flintstone-like objects, right? That looks like bedrock. It's exactly what the outer limits north side of the moon looks like. This looks like bedrock. Real UFOs on the lunar surface that are interacting in and around many common craters that most astronomers study. How can it be? How come some aren't seeing them? Well, I'll tell you that answer real simple. They're not easy to see, guys. Gotta be slowed down. Here, once again, twice as close, a strange light exits crater's wall. Look in that little dark crack, what we see going on. Boom. That's an object that's pretty large, that's traveling over the surface, that is lit up. It's a UFO. You can even see some pipes running through there. That's the worst of it. Go back and check it out. Mare Fecunditatis, side of the moon, east side turned around, upside, right side up for us to see it. Check this out. 90-degree angles, supposed ejecta, but that's not all. It runs for hundreds of miles, and look at these light sources. Whether it's bright or dark, they're always oscillating. They're emanating this light orangish hue. So it's unnatural. So we're starting to get into some nice footage. This is the east side that we can see Mare Crisium on top here. I'm going to start giving you an idea where we are just quickly. Mare Crisium is right here. I got the arrow up on it, the gray part. This is Proclus crater and its ray system that runs into Mare Crisium. Over here we have Mare Fecunditatis. Below, here's Mons Argaeus, where the Apollo 17 landing supposedly, and Mare Serenitatis, the last arrow we just saw. Mark Andrew Paradamuir, thanks for the generous donations.